Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Get ready for some exciting news because the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 series is about to make its grand debut on January 17th. The excitement is building up, but here's the real kicker. We've got a juicy leak that spilled the beans on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thanks to a user at GeekShopPort, we've got two crystal clear images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Even though the original post got deleted, you can still find those pics on /leaks. Now, here's the scoop on what these leaked images are revealing. Samsung seems to be shaking things up with the S24 Ultra screen. The leaked images suggest that they're moving away from the curved screen and embracing a sleek flat design, similar to the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus models. But don't worry, folks, the camera placement and button layout appear to be sticking around from the S23 Ultra. Let's talk color. The leaked images showcase a cool gray variant that's bound to turn heads. However, there's a bit of a letdown with thicker bezels around the screen, according to the rumors. Now, here's the mystery we can't quite crack with these pics. The S Pen, Samsung's beloved stylus, might be making a comeback, possibly in a slimmer form. Unfortunately, the leaked images don't provide a side-by-side comparison with the S23 Ultra for thickness reference. And what about that titanium construction rumored for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Well, the suspense is killing us, and we'll have to wait until January 17th at Galaxy Unpacked to get all the details. While these leaked images serve as a tasty appetizer, we're still hungry for more info on how the Galaxy S24 Ultra will perform. So, stay tuned for the main course. Folks, what are your thoughts on this sneak peek? Drop your comments below, and until our next video, peace out.